Good day everybody. I hope you can see this question. We are expected to simplify this quantity 1 negative root of 5 divided by 2 raised to the power of 12, and we are expected to get the value for this. So how are we going to do this? So foremost, I am going to adopt the algebraic way of simplifying this, and it's a nice technique that you should also learn so that it can be utilized by you in various other problem solving sections. So foremost, what I wish to do is I would like to take, let 1 negative root of 5 divided by 2 be equal to, say, some x. I'm going to cross multiply. This is going to be 1 negative root of 5 is equal to 2x. So this is what I've got. Now I wish to move this 1 to the right hand side, so you get negative root of 5 is equal to 2x negative 1. Now I wish to square both sides. So squaring both sides, what do we get? It's going to be negative root of 5 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 2 times x negative 1 raised to the power of 2. So this negative and square, right, it will be converted into positive. Root of 5 will become 5. And 2x negative 1 raised to the power of 2, this is going to give me 4 times x squared negative 4x, and then this is going to give me positive 1, right? So this is what I've got. Now if I were to move this 5 to the other side, then I can rewrite this as 4 times x squared negative 4x positive 1 negative 5 is equal to 0. So this is going to be 4 times x squared negative 4x positive 1 negative 5, that's going to be negative 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so now what I wish to do is I would like to move these two to the right hand side. So if I were to move this to the right hand side, I get 4x squared is equal to 4 times x positive 4. So 4 can be cancelled. This is going to be 4 of x positive 1, and you got a 4x squared here. 4 and 4 can be cancelled, giving you x squared is equal to x positive 1. Now this is a very crucial relationship that we would be utilizing in solving the question. Now we have taken one, let me use this side so that the problem will be in view. We have taken 1 negative root 5 over 2 to be equal to x, but we needed x to the power of 12. So this is exactly what is required. Now can I write x to the power of 12 as x squared raised to the power of 6? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. But my x squared is x positive 1. So I'm going to always utilize this by 2, right? From 2, in place of x squared I can have x positive 1. So this is going to be equal to x positive 1 raised to the power of 6. But can I rewrite this as x positive 1 raised to the power of 2 the whole raised to the power of 3? Of course I can write from the law of indices. Now if you were to expand this, what would this be? This is going to give me x squared positive 2 times x positive 1 raised to the power of 3. I can rewrite this as x squared positive 1 positive 2x raised to the power of 3. Now x squared, place of x squared, I will be utilizing x positive 1. So this is going to be equal to x positive 1 positive 1 positive 2x raised to the power of 3. So this is going to be x and 2x is going to be 3x and positive 2 raised to the power of 3. So this is what we have got. Now I wish to write this as 3x positive 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3x positive 2. This is how I wish to write, right? So if you were to expand this, this is going to be 9x squared, 3 to the 6, 6 times 2 is 12 x, right, positive 2 to the 4, and this is multiplied with 3x positive 2. So this is equal to, I'm going to be utilizing in place of x squared x positive 1, so it's going to be 9 of x positive 1 positive 12x positive 4 times 3x positive 2. So this is rewritten as 9 times x, positive 9, positive 12x, positive 4 times 3x, positive 2. 9 and this is going to be 21x, 9 and 4, that's going to be 13 times 3x, positive 2. So this is what I've got. Now what I wish to do is I would like to multiply these two components. So 21 into 3, that's going to be 3 ones are 3, 6, x into x is x squared. 21 into 2, that's going to be 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 42x. Then 13 into 3, x is going to be 39x, positive 26. So this is what I've got. Now again I'm going to rewrite x squared as x positive 1, positive 42x. Now 42 and 39 can be added, 9, 10, 11, 1, 7, 81. So this is going to be 81x, positive 26. Now this is equal to 63x, positive 63, positive 81x, positive 26, which is equal to 3 and 4, 3 and 1, that gives me 4, 8 and 1, 14, 144x, positive, this is going to be 6 added with 3 is 9, 6 added with 2 is 8. So I have got 144x, positive 89. So let me go up here. So this is equal to 144x, positive 89. But what is my x? X is equal to 1 negative root of 5 divided by 2. Substitute that value there. So this is equal to 144 of 1 negative root 5 divided by 2, positive 89. Now 2 divides here 7 times, 2 divides here 2 times, 72 into 1 is 72, negative 72 into root of 5, positive 89. Now add these two together, 9, 11, 115, 161, right? 9 with the 2, or 2 added with 9, 11, 1 and 8 8s are 16. So 161 negative 72 times root 5. So this is the value for 1 negative root 5 divided by 2 raised to the power of 12. You can check you can utilize the calculator and check the result. The result will be one and the same. And thank you everybody. This is a good place for us to stop.